Welcome back to BK42 channel. I decided to install an additional light on my bike to improve visibility and have as well a good power bank to charge my phone. This is the Vestfire headlamp and power bank. Amazon sells for €27 with the small and bright tail light included. It comes with the fast USB-C charging cable and all brackets required for installation. The installation is simple and the use of the lamp is also very easy. There are 5 lighting modes and the built-in battery capacity is large. The headlamp is smaller than it looked in the pictures. The aluminum housing is sturdy and it is IPX65 waterproof. I'm very satisfied with the power and the performance of this small light. The build quality is very good and the tail light is very bright. All links and detailed information are in the description below. Thanks for watching. Cheers!